Welcome to the online practical of the subject EIMT, Electrical Installation Maintenance and Testing. So today we are interested for the experiment called as measurement of insulation resistance for motor and power cables. So for this we require the apparatus. The apparatus are, we require the AC induction motor. The rating of this induction motor is single phase 230 volt 50 Hz is required and the capacity is 0.5 HP. The second apparatus we need is the power cable, and the rating of this power cable which can carry up to the voltage 1100 volt. The third equipment we needed called as Megger, or it is also called as mega ohm meter. The fourth equipment we needed is called as connecting cords for the connection of Megger to our particular equipment. In this experiment, we are interested to find out the insulation resistance for the electrical components or electrical equipments. So what is nothing but the insulation resistance? The insulation resistance is nothing but the resistance which is associated with the insulator. That is called as the insulation resistance. And as we know that the insulation resistance must be or is equal to mega ohm. The value which comes in terms of mega ohm only. So we are interested for finding out the insulation resistance for our electrical motor or for the power cable. The observation table for this experiment is, we have divided the four columns, the serial number, the equipment name, the observed value of insulation resistance, and we have to put the remark in terms of good insulation resistance, or it has the value which lies if the less value we are going to observe, so we have to put the remark as bad. So the first serial number indicates the induction motor. So we are having the induction motor with us and we are having the power cable with us. Now we will take or we will perform the experiment.
Start. So this is our Megger, or it is also called as a mega ohm meter. You can see the range of this mega ohm meter which lies from 0 to, you can say it is the range, it is called as a infinity. Yes, and it is also called as a hand driven generator. So whenever we are rotating this particular rotation of this particular knob, then we are getting the value of this particular voltage are going to produce, let's say 500 volt. The amount of voltage produced is 500 volt DC, and we have to apply this 500 volt DC to our particular electrical component. The precautions which we have to take for this particular performing the experiment is that we have to remove our electrical connection for our electrical motor also, as well as for our electrical power cable also. So here you can see the terminals of this Megger or this mega ohm meter are, this E stands for the earth terminal, this L stands for the line terminal, and this G stands for the guard terminal. We have to make the connection for this line which is connected to our conductor, and this earth we have to connect for our particular earth of the electrical motor or for earth of our particular electrical power cable. Now we will perform the experiment. So now we are interested for performing the experiment for insulation resistance of this particular induction motor. So we have taken the induction motor which is available in our electrical machine lab, and the capacity of this motor is as explained in the previous information. Now here we are having the two leads with us. First is the earth lead and the second lead is related to the line lead. We have to connect this line terminal to our electrical wire which is connected to the induction motor, and we have to place the second lead to the earth of this particular you can say the enclosure. Yes, and in that way we have to rotate this particular handle. So if we are rotating this particular handle, we are going to observe a value on this mega ohm meter, and here you can observe the value which lies in the range of 200 mega ohm. So this is the value which we have to put in our observation table. So the 200 mega ohm is the good condition of this particular insulating material which is available for our electrical motor. Okay, now we will go ahead. So now we are interested for our second electrical equipment, and here you can see this is the power cable. The range of this or the voltage which carries this power cable can be about 1100 volt. Yes, and we have to connect this power cable with our Megger or our mega ohm meter. The connection is same as previously we have connected for our induction motor. The line terminal which we have to connect for our conductor terminal, and the earth terminal we have to connect for the body, or you can say the insulating material which is available for our particular electrical cable. So this is the connection which we have to connect, or which we have to use for measuring the insulation resistance of the power cable, and hence we have to rotate this electrical this hand driven generator with the help of the hand, and we have to take the reading. Okay, so we can connect here also. Yes, so in this way we have to rotate our handle, and here also you can find out the value of this particular mega ohm, or the resistance, which shows nearly 300 mega ohm. So this is the range which we can observe by performing the experiment of insulation resistance of the power cable. Now you have to put the value of particular measurement of insulation resistance in the observation table, and we have to write the remark as the insulating material which is available in good condition. So we have performed the experiments of insulation resistance measurement for the electrical motor and for the power cable. Now we have to put the values in our observation table. So our reading which came for our induction motor is 200 mega ohm, and as we know that if the value lies in terms of mega ohm, then we have to write the remark as good. So this is the remark which we have to put for our induction motor insulation resistance. The second reading which we have observed for our power cable is comes as 300 mega ohm, and as we know that this value is also lies in terms of mega ohm, so the amount of, or you can say the remark which is as the good. So these two electrical equipments which we have conducted for the measurement of insulation resistance, and we have observed that our insulation resistance is in the condition of good. So thank you for this experiment.